the goal with this activity is to really work the abs, loosen up the trunk. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to lie on your back, and you're going to bring one knee up. In this case, it's going to be my left. If your left knee is up, you want the opposite elbow to touch that side. Boom, like this. Make sure you're not crunching to get up. You want elbow to knee. Let your hand face forward. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this position, create contact. I'm going to take a breath of air in. Exhale to set the lower rib cage. Here's where it gets tricky. You're going to then inhale. As you inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, slowly lower, and proceed to have your abs destroyed. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.